If you are an IPTV user, then you might be looking for a decent player to watch IPTV. The majority of IPTV players are working pretty bad, they buffer, lag, or just don't work properly. So today, I'll show you how to get one of the best IPTV players to your Firestick. It's called IPTV Smarters Pro, it's totally free to use, and it's super easy to set up. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get IPTV Smarters Pro to your device. First of all, you'll have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, we'll go to search on our device, and here in the search bar, start typing Downloader. As you can see, Downloader already popped out for us at the bottom, so there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app. We click on Downloader, and that's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you get Downloader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. So to set up Downloader, we'll go to Settings, let's do it right now, click on that button with the gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. So open it, and here we'll have to enable developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Sticks, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you'll have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times, and do it fast, so let's do it. As you can see, now the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case, and in your case it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So let's go back a bit, and here you'll notice that developer options have appeared. So let's open them, enable the ADB debugging right here, then we'll need to go to install unknown apps. From here, locate Downloader, here it is, and turn that option on. So basically what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now, finally, let's go to the list of apps on your device. There it is, we open it. And here you'll find Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or any other device that you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Canada right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means nobody can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on your screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for NordVPN. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we gotta go to the list of apps on our device. There it is, we open it, and here you'll find Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. Open it, wait until the app loads for you, and then on the left side menu, make sure to click on Home and not on Browser. So once again, make sure that you have clicked on Home, and then here in that search bar, we'll need to enter a link, which is going to be iptvsmarters.com. So let's enter it together. So once again, the link is going to be IPTV Smarters .com. So once again, it's iptvsmarters.com. You can see the whole link on your screen right now. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, the link is not going to work. After that, you have to click on go. And while the website is loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Firesticks, as well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and this way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now, after the website has loaded, we need to click on that sandwich button right here. So let's click on it, and from here go to the downloads page. So we click on it as well, and after we click on that link, a new web page should open up. Yep, there it is. We have to scroll it down until we find the direct download APK file button. Here it is with the Android logo. So we gotta click on it and wait until the download starts for you. Usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. If in a couple of seconds the download doesn't start, you should click on that click here button right there. But for me it started even without clicking on that button. So now let's just wait a bit. Here just click on install and wait until IPTV Smarters gets installed to your Firestick or Android TV, depending on what kind of device you are using. And after the app was installed, do not click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way we'll be able to delete the installation file, as we don't need it anymore on our device. So we click on delete and then delete once again. This way, we get rid of unnecessary installation files from your Firestick and save you some free space on your device. And that's really important, because you don't really have too much of free space on your device anyway. Now finally, let's go to the list of apps on your device. And there it is, open it, scroll down to the bottom, and here you'll find the IPTV Smarters, which we just installed. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way IPTV Smarters is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time needed. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. Then we are going to open up the IPTV Smarters application. There it is. So we open the app. From here you have to select the device type. Since we are using a Firestick, it's going to be TV of course. Then you see the license agreement, make sure to read it, and then you have to accept it. And from here there are 2 main ways to add an IPTV playlist to your application. One of the ways is the M3U link. It's probably the most popular way to use or watch IPTV. So if you have an M3U link, then you would need to select that option, and from here add any name to your playlist, and then either upload it as a file or select the M3U URL button and enter the link right here. After that you click on add a playlist and it's going to appear in the list of your playlists right here. I don't have any playlists added to my app, but for you it's going to appear here. Just so we know, this application by default does not have any playlists inside. You need to have your own playlist. There are probably thousands of IPTV providers in the world, so it's totally up to you which one to choose. And also besides the M3 links, there is another way to use IPTV. It's via extreme codes. So if your provider gave you an extreme code, it's possible to use it within that app. To do so, you would need to select that option, and from here add any name to your playlist, and then you enter a username, a password, and a link which you got from your IPTV provider. Then once again you click on the add playlist button and it's going to appear in the list of playlists on your application. And that's it. That's the easy way to set up IPTV Smarters Pro on your Firestick or Android TV. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.